Hi, my name is Kunal Raj. In this video, I'm going to demonstrate System Software and Compiler Lab exercise number 2. The experiment's title is Symbol Table Generation. So we have to generate a symbol table data structure for the given program. So for that, let us first compile the program and see. So here it says input the program. I'll input a sample program. So first of all, I will give string So I have given 3 lines of code here of 3 data types, string, int and float, and I have given a total of 4 variables. So when I give the program for execution, it will print a table which specify the keyword as string, int. So one string is there and 2 variables are there, k and I, of data type int, and then one float is there, and it will also print the value of their value, the variable's value. So now let us see at the code. Now here, first of all, I'm writing a trim function, user defined trim function, to trim the spaces before or after the given string. So first I'm declaring a string array called token. Here I'll write some predefined keyword like int, float, char. Then I will again give here, I'll ask the user to enter input program. Then user will enter input program. If the user will enter Q, capital Q, the program will break, the input will break, and all will be stored in str variable. So str is a string variable which will store the entire program separated by OR symbol, a pipeline symbol. Now next, I will copy the whole string, whatever is there in the string variable, into an array called A using string copy function. Then I am declaring 2 string variable var var and val, and then initializing with nothing. I will store all the variables in var and all their values, the variables values, in val. Then I am running a loop using while of ai. So this loop will run until there are elements in a of I. Then I am finding if a of I is not equal to the operator. This operator just symbolizes that there's the line, the first line is ended, and the second line, after each and every line there will be this operator. So I am storing all the values in a variable called tok. Then if there is a space, if a of I is equal to space, then I am running a loop from 0 to 7, that is the string variable that I have created, it will check. And if token of j, that is that array that I am having, the int, float and every data type that I have stored there, if it is equal to tok, then I'm trimming it if there is any space in between, which will cause error in checking. So if there is a space in anything, I'm giving the value of key as tok. So I'm storing that particular data type in variable called key. So at the end of this for loop, I'll have my data type of that line in variable key. Now again, if there is one more space, that is after the space I'm checking, I have to check until there's a semicolon. So first of all, I have taken the variable into the data type into key, and then I'm checking up to semicolon. Now if there is a equal sign, I'm storing everything into val, that variable called val, and then if there is a equal sign, the left side of it I'll store into data type called var, and then the rest I'll store in val until there is a comma. So here, as you can see, comma. So comma is stored until, if there is comma, then again everything will be stored. So I'll print everything using here. First of all, I'm printing key, then var, then val. So here some flags I'm using to control the execution of if statement. So here, as you can see, I have f equal to 0, f equal to 1. Now after the loop is finished, I am reinitialize everything var and val to empty string for the next iteration, and I'll increment using i++. Next, as you can see here, if a of I equal to bar, that means everything is finished, the current line is finished. I will initialize everything that I have taken in this loop, and at the end I will increment the while loop. So here the value will be printed in a table format. So first keyword will come, then variable will come, then value will come. So as you can see, the output is printed like this. So thank you for watching.